On Mighty, it's easy to customize your network with a custom email or web domain. You just go to upper right corner, admin, and you can search for or scroll down to custom network domain or custom email domain. Custom network domain is what will appear in your web browser when you visit your Mighty network. By default, you get a subdomain, which you can change. It'll end in mn.co, or you can use your own domain. And we have extensive instructions on how to connect this easily across any of the popular registrars that you might come across. This is available on all of our paid plans from Community and up. If you're on the business plan and up, we also offer the ability to use a custom email domain. This means that notifications that come from your Mighty network will come from your own domain. You can easily set it up here. We'll walk you through it. And there's a period of about 30 days where we send from both domains, your old and your new one, to make sure that your messages don't land in spam folders.